Welcome back, guys, to our channel. So we have been focusing on the Pro Tools automations. So we did in our first other class uh, we did automations on the this window, and we also did automations on the mixer window. We are going to focus on plugin automations. Right. So I have a guitar here. Alright, somewhere here now. If you listen to this music, let's play this. Come a little forward. My faith will be made strong in the presence of my Savior. Alright, so you notice that at this point the music dries out, the vocal dries out, and it's more or less the guitarist and the bassist playing somewhere here. So we could decide to push the volume by plugging, push the volume of this guitar. So let's do that. I can add a CLA effect here, guitar, CLA guitar, yes. Um, we wait for it to load. Alright, so the CLA effect is here. So we can do a little touch. Let's say let's load electric. Just click on. Let's listen to how that sounds from here. My faith will be made strong in the presence of my Savior. We can push the effects a bit. Maybe that all. Alright. So it's cool for now, but we can make it sound louder, a bit louder, and the effects higher around here where it's playing alone. So how can we do that? We can do that by automating the plugin here. Right, so let's do this. Alright, how do we do that? We come over here for plugin automation where you have this auto here, which is for automation. So we now click this sign and we have options here. Now if you wanted to, if you notice that in my guitar line, we have an EQ, a far filter EQ3 here. So that is why we see it here. So what CLA guitars is highlighted because that is what we want to use. So I want to use this master, sorry, this output volume. Yeah, this is the output. So I would click it to add to this side, and then click OK. So now it's highlighted red to show that this is where our automation will happen. We close that. Now if we come over to this guitar here, this wave where we have this wave piston, we select it, we will see down here, this is the output. So if we select this output, this is now here is how it's. Notice if we switch back, let's switch back to volume, see where the volume is. Okay, but if we go back to the CLA guitar, the output, this is where it is. So now we are going to put a marker from here. This is where the okay, put two markers there, and then let's say somewhere towards around here, two more markers. So when we select here, what will happen, we can increase this, can increase this part of the guitar. So if you play it, let's listen. If you play it, alright, so notice how the volume of the guitar is higher now around here. So you can hear it a bit better. Alright, so that is how, okay, we come here. Now the music is about to come in again, the whole music. So we gradually fade it out from here. So that is how plugin automation can be done on Bluetooth. Alright, so we can, that is how it is done. So also always remember that we can still delete it. If we highlight this part, of this part, we can delete that automation without affecting any other thing. Do well to subscribe to our channel.